Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful sugar sheet sea theme cake. And the reason why I chose this cake this week is because many of you were like, oh, I'd like to make buttercream like so smooth and perfect, nice edges. And I chose this cake because there's nothing about perfection about this cake. This cake is all over the place and it works. And as you can see, the buttercream is not smooth. There's you can see the cake through the buttercream. The sugar sheet is not fully covered. I actually cut and create creases to put the edible foil inside. And there's also the cake topper that has all these creases. And yeah, so the reason why I'm showing you this is that it doesn't have to be perfect in order to be nice. So if you want to learn how to make this cake, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, you can subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Without further ado, let's get to it. So this is a final product. I really like how it turned out. There's no such thing as perfection. So the reason why I decided to show you how to make this cake is to show you that you can make a cake that is not perfect look perfect. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, well, you can subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.